Guys, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
You recording? Something I never done yet, and I got makeup on, so might as well do it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Are you gonna come up or?
Alright, let's go.
Hey you guys, so today I am about to finish a 3D wall panel. Babe. Trash, man. Anyways, whatever, you petty. You know what? And I ain't even gonna be sensitive Sally, so boom. Period. And we keeping it in there. So, we're doing a 3D wall panel. I'm doing a 3D wall panel, accent wall again, you guys. And so, today we're gonna be finishing it. So here are the 3D panels that we have already spray painted right here. And then we're gonna be using this heavy duty liquid nails. And we're gonna use a caulk gun to apply this to the back of the panel. So I'm super excited. But this is the second time I'm doing this, but this is my first time recording it. And it's because so many of you guys asked me a lot of questions. And y'all, this is the easiest DIY statement wall that you can put in your design space. So if you are at home and you need a cute little area for your clients to shoot in, if you're doing prom season, you need a cute little area for your clients to do their fittings in. And if you have a storefront location and you need to save money on renovations, this is going to be the DIY quick little jam for you. All right, so a total, so I want to say now, I know for a fact the panels, they come 33, the panels, they come 33 to a pack, and they are about $59 or $60, $59 or $60, and I ordered 3, so it's going to be 33 panels per box. That's about 99, so about 100 panels, and it's probably going to take about 70 something to fill this wall because I've kind of already calculated. So you guys make sure you stay tuned for the video. And also I have a couple more videos that's going to be coming that's going to be either renovating the shop. If they are broken down into a video by itself, it's because it's something I know you guys want to see. But some of the other little DIY things that I'm doing around the shop, I'm going to make sure I put that all into one video. Alright? Boom.
I've been getting busy. I've been getting busy. I've been getting busy handling business in the city. Getting to the money, ain't got no time to kick it. Man, I'm on the money mission. I won't stop even if I get it. Stack it to the ceiling, have a feeling before I finish. Man, I live in the city with niggas like us, it's business. Use God as a witness. Who let you listen here and betray me for some silver while I'm busy conjuring gold, black, RIAA, certified gold. And I do this for my niece and my nephews, we in the building. My brother right charges drop like the women do when they feel it. I can't wait to show this stillness so they can see how I'm getting it. Ayy, they can see how I'm getting it. I've been incognito, I don't bother many people. Lucid cerebral, exchanging knowledge with my eagles. Focus on wealth, assets, and how to be that to people. Real cause and effect, the type that can change the people. But you know how that go.
Video you in front of the sign. We'll do like a
What he got?
after you done got it ready, prepped. Take it. Somebody walking by and they see the gold wall, they're like, oh shit, on some fashion shit. Like not like whatever, like a fashion idea. Like the idea of somebody seeing, oh, this is a beautiful, like somebody that loves a good photo opportunity.
Yeah, what, the break in? I don't know what that noise is. I just want to make sure we weren't crazy.
We over here just like, bruh, I don't know.
You know